Hey there, insurance shoppers. Ever wonder why your credit score seems to follow you everywhere, even when you're just trying to insure your trusty ride? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the wild world of insurance pricing. Picture this. You're feeling pretty good about your driving record, ready to snag a sweet deal on car insurance, but then bam, the quote hits you like a ton of bricks. What gives? If someone mentions your credit score, you might be thinking, hold up, I'm not applying for a loan here. I get it. It sounds crazy, right? But here's the kicker. Insurance companies absolutely use your credit score to figure out your rate. Let me break it down for you. See, insurers aren't trying to judge your life choices or peek into your bank account. They're using something called a credit-based insurance score to predict risk. It's all about the data, folks. Statistically speaking, people with higher credit scores tend to file fewer claims. Why? They're often more likely to keep things in good shape, avoid small claims, and pay their bills on time. So, your insurance company is basically playing the odds? That's why someone with a squeaky clean driving record and a credit score of 720 might end up paying less than a person with a few tickets and a 580 score, even if they re-driving identical cars. Is it weird? Absolutely. Is it legal? In most states, yep, fair. Well, that's up for debate. Now, before you start feeling like the system's rigged against you, here's some good news. You can use this knowledge to your advantage. Even a small bump in your credit score can make a difference in your premiums. We're talking potential savings just by boosting your score by 20 points. Want to lower your rate? Here are some quick tips. Work on improving that credit score, pay your bills on time, and don't ghost your insurance company when they send you policy updates. Trust me, they notice that stuff. Look, I know insurance can feel like a confusing maze sometimes. It often seems like it's designed to keep you guessing. But that's exactly why I started this channel, to give you the inside scoop so you can understand what you're really paying for. Remember, smarter credit can lead to cheaper coverage. It's all about keeping your wallet happy while staying protected on the road. So if you want more tips like this, ways to save money and understand your policy like a pro, hit that subscribe button. This is Insurance Insider and we're just getting started. Catch you in the next video, where we'll unravel more insurance mysteries together.